Welcome to everyone. Now I will discuss about the experiment to measure the real and apparent expansion of liquids. For that, initially I will take this respective shape of container and pour the water in this container. Now I will mark the level of the liquid L1. Now I will heat the container and the liquid using the burner. Why I am telling like this? I am heating container and liquids because of in the case of increasing in the temperature of the liquids, our applied heat energy is used into two cases. One is heating this container and another part of energy is used to heating this liquid. That is why I am telling I will heat the container and the liquid using this burner. Initially the container receives the thermal energy and it expands. First this container will receive this supplied heat energy, then heads expanding, and as a result the volume of the liquid appears to have reduced. Initial volume of the liquid from bottom of the container into up to L1 state. Now we are heating. Then what will happen? Initially the container will get expanding, then volume of the, note one thing, the volume of the container only increased and the volume of the liquid will be same quantity. That is what the level of the liquid will be reduced, marking this reduced level of the liquid L2. Initially container only getting expansion due to this applied external heat. That is what the volume of the container increased and volume of the liquid will be decreased. Then decreased level of the liquid marked as L2. On further heating, for continuously I am applying heat energy, that is further heating of this system, the thermal energy supplied to this liquids through the container. Through the container only this heat energy supplied into inside of the container, that is present liquids, results in the expansion of the liquids. What will happen? The liquid will get expanding. Now the level of the liquids raised up to L3. From this demonstration we want to measure the real and apparent expansions, that is the difference between the levels L3 and L1. Here L3 and L1, that only apparent expansion, the difference between the levels L2 and L3 only real expansion. Note this, the real expansion is always more than that of the apparent expansion. I am simply note down that the difference between L3 and L2 is real expansion, that is higher value, and the difference between L3 and L1 only apparent expansion, that is lower value when compared to this real expansion. Thank you.